To begin with, I'm going to start with my tortillas. Add some oil to a pan on medium heat and let it heat. Once your oil has heated, we'll begin to fry the tortilla. Let it fry, and you want to take it and you want to flip it just like that, just for a couple of seconds, and then flip it over on the other side and just let it brown. Once it brown on both sides, about like that, it's ready to come out. Once you have your tortillas fried, put them to the side. Now let's make our salsa. Mango, onion, jalapeno, cilantro, a little bit of lime, set that to the side. Now let's make a little cream for the top. Greek yogurt, a little bit of salt, garlic powder, some lime juice. Give that a little mix. Don't that look good?
So what makes this good is I like the crunchy texture. I can taste the mango inside of it. The shrimp is a good add-on too. I just like everything about it. It's delicious.
Thanks, grandson.